Today we've got a 2022 model Avalon 2585 EL Saltwater Edition Platinum Tri-Toon boat available for sale. This boat is loaded and equipped with a Mercury 400R engine, so it performs very well. Approximately 34 hours, sits on a trailer, and we have water tested this boat to make sure everything was operational, and we got right at 52 miles per hour out of it on GPS. Check this boat out. It is available for sale immediately, in stock, title to boat and trailer. LED light upgrade, Bimini top, power mounted speakers, swing ladder, all the features